Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll make Saib muraba in our kitchen. Firstly, we take some apples and peel them off. Then boil these apples in water until it will become soft. Take 1 glass water and 1 cup sugar and mix them well. Now add apples in the sugar syrup and cook it well until the syrup becomes thick. Cook it to this position. So here our recipe is ready. If you like this recipe, then give thumbs up to my video. Also subscribe to my channel.